Thompson. Retain towards Bull, and he fights his way away from one challenge from Hazard, and a second one. Almost finding the space for his own shot. Looked like handball. Heels from Bull and the crowd on the far side. Tapped away by Moncur. And it looks as if John Moncur will be the first to go into referee Hackett's notebook this afternoon. Could be problems here for Wolves, and there are. Maskell stealing the ball from Wesley, dwelt on it too long. Cook into the front post, could be problems, and Digby has to push it over. Ashley goes past Hazard, and that's a good cross in, and it's there, Mutch! Back post, superb work by Kevin Ashley down this right-hand touchline. Beautiful run, got past Mickey Hazard and floated in a perfect cross. Shane Wesley went up for the header. It wasn't to be for him, but it came in perfectly for Andy Mutch. Oh, it seems to have brightened up in the sky, but we've still got the rain. And Wesley there making another mistake. Appeals for handball. The referee has now given it. Bowden floated in towards that front post, and that's a tremendous header. Oh, it was Sean Taylor who got it up there and directed the header down past Mike Stowell. Cook gets away from two challenges, fires the shot, but it could fall for Downing, and he does! Downing! Well, Keith Downing hasn't had the happiest of afternoons, but he's happy now. A somewhat fortunate goal, it has to be said. Cook tried the shot first time and it ballooned up. Keith Downing had carried on his run, and all credit to Keith Downing. He calmly slotted it under Fraser Digby, and yet another equaliser for Wolves just before the end of the half.